Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I am your professor Mr. Doi. I am making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Kishiwada Danjiri Kaikan. Kishiwada Danjiri Kaikan is a museum in Kishiwada City, Osaka. It's a place where visitors can learn about the famous Danjiri Festival. Many people come here to understand local culture and history. The Danjiri Festival started more than 300 years ago. It's famous for large wooden floats that are called danjiri. People pull these floats through the street at high speed, which makes the festival very exciting. Inside the museum, you can see real danjiri floats that are large and beautiful. These floats have these floats has detailed wooden carvings which show stories and traditional designs. Visitors can look closely at these carvings to understand the skill of Japanese craftsmen. Visitors can look closely at these carvings to understand the skill of Japanese craftsmen. The museum also has videos and sound displays that show how the festival works. These displays help visitors to feel the power and energy of the event. It's a good way to experience the festival even if you do not visit during the actual time. There is also an activity where visitors can try to pull on the danjiri rope. It helps people to feel that it is like to join the festival. It's fun and also a good way to learn by doing. The museum has information in English and other languages that help foreign visitors. It makes it easy to learn about the festival, which may be new for many people. Kishiwada Danjiri Kaikan is not only a museum. It's a place that shows the strong spirit of the local community. It's a great place to visit if you want to learn about traditional festival in Japan. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.